You asked for it, so here's the scrambled eggs in Hexclad. Medium, low, just above that, and below medium. We're not going to go high on this. People tend to not use the proper temperature, and that's one of the problems. The other thing is that they don't let their pan heat up. You got to let the pan get hot first, a good couple, 3 or 4 minutes before you put any of your butter or your oil in. Now, I've just lost 65 pounds, so don't give me any crap about the butter. It's about a tablespoon. It's healthy for you. It's grass-fed butter, enough of the butter. Coat that up really well because that is going to let that nonstick property occur. You want to make sure that it sizzles and get the sizzling to stop. Then you go ahead and put your eggs in, and then we're going to let it sit for just about 10 or 15 seconds, and we're going to start agitating our eggs or moving it around. Now, you notice here, you don't have to go crazy. I just take the eggs and slide them in, and take a look at the Hexclad. You'll notice that as I'm moving the spatula in, you can see there's no sticking. See the line, the clear lines that are occurring there? That is because it is non-stick. And that butter has filled in. You've got your non-stick going on, and look at this. It doesn't matter what you do, it's not going to stick. Now, this pan has properly been seasoned, which is another thing that people don't do correctly. But once it's seasoned, you've got an incredible professional grade cookware that's going to last you forever, and it's going to be non-stick. Now, the one thing is, I love cheese, so what goes better with butter? Cheese. Now, notice there's no sticking here again. I'm showing you this as I'm doing it real time. And then when I get done, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put some cheese on this, because if anything's going to stick, it's not going to be the eggs, it's going to be the cheese. Now, I know a lot of people have problems with the eggs, but I'm telling you, if you do this and follow the instructions, it'll be fine. Now, look at all this cheese I'm putting on. Now, just take it and fold it in gently. It's hot, right? The eggs are hot, so it's going to melt the cheese. You don't have to sit there and let the cheese melt. You just keep folding it in and it'll melt naturally. This is a 4-cheese blend that I like to use. It's just, shredded mozzarella, cheddar, a couple other cheeses, and it just makes a really nice flavor. Now, the one thing I don't do is I don't add salt, pepper, and seasonings in my pan until the end, because that is where the flavor's at. If you mix it in too early, you're gonna lose a lot of that flavor, so there's no need to really do that. And I'm gonna use my sexy pepper mill and my salt mill. I'm gonna go ahead and add that on at the end again, because I like the seasoning, so when it hits that palate, you get that full flavor. Look at that, perfect eggs, and the pan is non-stick. Now, this was absolutely delicious. Now go get sexy, get your Hexy, and make your scrambled eggs. Smoke on, baby.